Hi guys, and welcome back to the VeeHive. Well, if you don't know who I am, and if you're new to my channel, or you just happen to come across and to see this video, well, hello and welcome. My name is Vondessa, and I am the queen of Veeology. So guys, today I have put together a romantic feel of a bedroom with the restoration vibe, yet fall vibe. So guys, I am going to bring you into this. In the bonus, I'm going to show you all together what my master bedroom and my master bathroom look like together. So if you're ready to see what's behind this door, you know what to do. Stay tuned.